If you're looking for wireless earbuds that combine solid noise canceling, a unique design, and some clever features, the Nothing Ear 3 might be worth checking out. I've been using them for a while, and here's what stood out. First off, the design is eye-catching. The transparent look with chrome accents feels futuristic, and the charging case has a sturdier metal base. They definitely feel more premium and durable compared to earlier versions. A standout feature is the super mic built into the case. With a simple button press, the microphones in the case take over your voice input. It's a clever trick that actually helps during calls in noisy places, and it makes these earbuds stand out from the competition. When it comes to sound, the 12mm drivers deliver punchy bass and a lively signature. Music feels energetic and fun, though the highs can get a little sharp at times. Luckily, the companion app gives you a full EQ and multiple presets, so you can adjust the sound to your liking. Noise canceling is strong, with adjustable levels that adapt to your environment. It works well in most daily situations, though in very loud or windy places, it doesn't completely block everything out. Battery life is decent, around 5.5 hours on the buds with ANC switched on, and about 22 hours total with the case. Not the longest out there, but enough for a full day of use. On the downside, the earbuds can feel a little bulky for smaller ears, and the bright treble may not suit everyone. Also, if you don't take a lot of calls in noisy environments, you might not get the most out of the super mic feature. Overall, the Nothing Ear 3 is a bold and stylish option with good ANC, fun sound, and a unique take on call quality. I'd rate them a 7.5 out of 10. If you want to learn more or grab a pair, you'll find the link down in the description.